Hi, in this video we'll learn how to set up the Google login. So let's begin. First, log in into your Opencart admin. After logging in, let's head to the BlueCommerce social login extension. Click on extensions. Click on extensions again. Now here select modules, click on edit, and here we are in our social login extension. So in this tutorial we will set up our Google login. Okay, so in the previous video we have already selected the button and also placed the button on the login and checkout page. Now let's start with the process to generate the Google Project Client ID and Google Project Client Secret Key. Now click on this button and it will take you to a new page. Here we'll create the secret key and the Project Client ID. Okay. So if you're logged in the browser using your Google account, then you will see this page, else it will prompt you to enter your Gmail login ID and password. Once you reach this page, click over here and click on new project. As you can see, we are creating a new project. Enter website social login and the location it will automatically take if it's a business account. If it's a normal Gmail personal account, then also you can leave this field blank. So let's move ahead. Click on create. Now it will take you to a new page. Click on enable API and services. Now enter Google plus API over here. Select this Google plus API option. As you can see, this page is still loading. Now you need to enable this. You have successfully enabled the Google Plus API. Now go back to the dashboard. Click on domain verification. So here you need to verify your domain. How? I'll tell you. Click on add domain. Here you need to enter your domain URL. For example, this is my URL. I'll copy it and I'll paste it over here. I'll click on add domain. Now as you can see, my domain has been successfully added. In some cases it may verify the domain as well by asking you to upload a specific file on your hosting account where the website files are stored. So you can do that by directly logging into your hosting or using FTP. Now as the domain has been added, let's move on to OAuth consent screen. Here we need to do some settings on application type. It should be public. Application name, you can enter your domain name. I'll enter mine. Social login pro. Application logo, you can upload your logo as well, so that on your auth screen when someone clicks on login with Google, then they get redirected to the Google page. There your logo will appear. I am skipping this step for now. Support email, you can enter your email over here, or if it's showing you some predefined options, you can select one out of those. Here in authorized domain, enter your domain name, just the domain name without HTTP or without HTTPS. Yes. Now application homepage link. Now you need to enter your application homepage link. First of all, open your application. Now whatever the link it is, copy this link and paste it over here. Now you need to enter the privacy policy page link. I know the page is blank as of now, but I'll paste this link. But I would request you to create a privacy policy for your website. Now we'll enter the application terms of service link. It's optional, but still I'll enter the terms and condition link over here, and I'll save this page. As you can see, a new screen appears here. You need to click on create credentials and OAuth client ID. Click here. Now select the type of your application. So obviously we are doing this for a web application. Opencart is a web application. So just select web application. Name, let it be the default name, whatever is printed. So now here there are two very important URLs which you need to enter. That's number one, authorized JavaScript origin. In this you need to enter your website URL. So we'll copy it again. So here we'll enter our website domain name. So if you have enabled HTTP and HTTPS, so you need to add both. So let's do that now. I'll copy my domain name. I click on paste, and remember this / at the end should not be there. Delete this. Okay, we have successfully entered the authorized JavaScript origin. Now another very important step, authorized redirect URL. So this URL is mentioned in the description of this video. Please copy it from there and paste it. If you are using SSL, then use HTTPS, and if you are not using SSL, just enter HTTP. So let's enter the authorized redirect URL. So as I already told you, this complete URL is mentioned in the description. You just need to change the domain name and the HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP if you are not using SSL, HTTPS if you are using SSL. And there are two links, one for Opencart 2.2 and above, and another one for Opencart 3.2 and above. So please be careful about it. So let's click on create. And the app has successfully created the client ID and the secret key. So copy this and go to your BlueCommerce social login extension on your website and paste the client ID over here. Now copy the client secret, paste the client secret over here, and let's save this. So as you can see, we have successfully saved the settings. Now let's head to the website and check whether it's working or not. So let's go to the website, click on login, click on login with Google, and as you can see, it's working absolutely fine as expected. Now if you're already logged in, it will show you this page, and if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to enter your username and password. Let's click on this and let's see. And yes, as you can see, we have successfully logged in into our Opencart website with login with Google. As simple as that. I hope I have made all the things clear to you. If you still have any query, you can raise a ticket or watch this video again. Thank you very much.